Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another video in our stationery business series. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, ding, 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 to be notified every time that I release a new video. So I am here with the unboxing of our Printify embroidery hat. So I have a few specs that I have written on my handy dandy small business owner sticky notepad. If you guys would like to purchase this sticky notepad, make sure you go over to my Etsy shop at www.coinsandconnections.com. So my Printify hat, the total cost was $19.74. I ordered it on July 28th and the delivery was on August 7th. So on their site, it does say that it's in production for 3 days. So of those 8 days, three of those days were spent in production, picking the hat, embroidering the hat, packaging the hat, printing out whatever they need for that product. All right, so I looked at my computer. The hat is made by My Locker, and the brand, or exactly like the name of the hat, it says generic brand CP80, and I got the color white, and it's a one size fit all. So I have my package here. It came in this white bag. Of course, it says Coins and Connections here because I manually ordered it in my office. So I'm going to reach in. The only thing that's in here is the hat. So we're going to start from the back. It's a white hat. And then we have the embroidery on the front that says Small Business Owner. Now, I do have a little bit of frustration just because the M, the N, they seem to be so close that you can't really tell it's an M, and just like the N's, super really tight, and I feel like my design wasn't that tight, so I'm not completely happy with the embroidery on this one. I have gotten products from Printify before. Maybe next time when I go in to do this, I'll just space out my letters just a little bit more so that I can get a more cohesive look to this. So the only other thing that is on the cap is just, again, how they do their inventory and how they stick things to make sure that they stay intact. So this hat is by Port & Company. I can't try it on right now because I have two ponytails in my hair, but it has Velcro strap on the back, and I don't know what other colors they may have. That's not something that I did the review on, but when I made the hat, you guys were probably able to see that. So that is my unboxing of the small business look of the small business owner hat. All right, so I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Printify embroidery hat, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.